Power on. Press and hold MFB to 3 seconds. Connection. Connect to Bluetooth of your device by the name NG EarSafe Pro. Play/pause. Single click on MFB to play or pause the song. Volume up/down. Single click on plus to increase volume. Single click on minus to decrease volume. Voice command. 3 click of MFB to activate voice command. Answer and reject calls. Single click MFB to answer or end call. Double click MFB to reject call. Songs transfer. Connect the magnetic charger to Pro and the USB to your laptop or mobile. Copy MP3 songs from your device and paste in storage of Pro. In case of PC, the storage would be visible in My Computer. In case of mobile, storage would be visible in My Files.